Chris, did you actually spray that in his eyes? Chris. Chris, did you actually spray that in his eyes? Chris! Oh, Taylor. So sad. I feel so bad now. What? I will. The phone will put it on there. Hopefully it will. I just need, like, service.
What did you spray in his eyes, Chris?
You okay?
Taylor, are you okay?
Who wins?
Taylor, because you just touched him like 84 times right now.
What's the score? Kim wins their shot.
5-3.
Touch me twice, then we'll have a touch off. Want to do it? I
Oh, okay.
W!